Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne Bugwa, and today I shall be diving into the stock market arena. I shall be taking a look at Tesla stocks and its performance over the years. I found this dataset on Yahoo Finance, and it covers all days since its IPO in June 29, 2010 to March 18, 2020. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. IBM Cognos Analytics version 11.1.5 is the tool I use for my analysis. So Tesla made its first debut in 2010 with an initial public offering priced at $17. So imagine you invested $1,000, you'd have purchased approximately 58 shares. With that in mind, as of February 19, 2020, when the share price was at its all-time high at $917 per share, your 58 shares will now be worth $53,210. I mean, those are some crazy returns for someone who was smart enough to invest when the shares were priced at $17. But let us not get too carried away. From our first visualization, we can see that Tesla's stock price seemed to struggle since its initial public offering in 2010, but things seemed to change in 2013, whereby prices are seen to spike upwards. So I did a bit of research to find out the reason behind this, and I found out that Tesla had been making more profits from its Model S, thereby bringing a heap of new investors as well as shorted interests. The largest spike price is seen in the last quarter of 2019 and can be attributed to revenue growth from the legacy Model S and X, as well as strong demand for the new Model 3. In our second chart, we can view percentage change by date and year to gauge performance of our stock. We can see that our stock varies from a range of +5 to -5, and anything outside this range shows a major market move upwards or downwards. For example, in 2013 when the prices went up. In our third visualization, we seek to find out how liquid Tesla stocks are. I use dollar volume as a measure for liquidity because of how important it is to institutional investors. Based on our chart, we can see that there is a significant interest in Tesla stock on February 4th than there has ever been in the past 10 years. Despite the high price at $887 on February 4th, the bid-ask spread is tight, and the high volume and dollar volume make it highly attractive from a liquidity perspective. So what has led to high liquidity of the stock in the recent months is Tesla's approach in making its highly demanded Model S readily available to its customers, thereby increasing its profits. In our fourth visualization, we can view historic volatility that helps determine whether the volatility is rising or falling. Historic volatility measures how much the security price is deviating from its average. And as you can see from the chart, 21-day historic volatility in 252 trading days a year rose from 44.87 in the beginning of October to 131.18% at the beginning of March 2020 and continues to maintain this number. The higher the historical volatility, the riskier the security. However, this is not necessarily a bad result, as risk works both ways, bullish and bearish. Volatility has a bad annotation, but many traders and investors can make higher profits when volatility is higher.